So, just arrived at the Queensland Museum. You can get off at the Cultural Centre bus stop, which comes from either the centre of the city or at South Brisbane train station. Not Southbank, but South Brisbane. Going to go and see the Queer 90s exhibition. It's free, it's part of the Brisbanepride. Yeah, let's go take a look. There's air conditioning today as well. 33 degrees. It's on level 2. It actually runs till July 26th. So if you're coming up for the meltfestival, check it out. Or over Christmas, New Year's, it would be cool. So this looks like it's here. Always try the rainbow flag. Oh wow, Trixie Lamont. Okay. It's amazing that the club fashion of the 90s made such a massive difference. I love that they put the drag section in the boys. Wonder who curated this. Oh, they've mixed it. Okay. I think I've worn most of this stuff. Yeah, bum. Joe Negro. Oh, wow. I can't wait. Apparently the Powerhouse has some of my artwork in the archives, which is really cool. It looks like weeds. Good old Tony. Tom. Priscilla. I think these might have been from the Queen's Ball. And Queen's Ball is one of the world's longest community dance events in the world. I think it started early 1960s. My king says, oh, this is really good. Okay. I've seriously got to get that box of stuff out of storage and send it to the archives in Melbourne. This is really well done. Kylie. Wouldn't be fit without Miss Minogue or Miss Madonna. This is all very Bowery. Oh, it is Bowery. Club Kids. Club Kids weren't as huge in Australia. We did have our fair share, but oh, they're cool. I can see Tootsie wearing those. Seen Danger Del Rey wearing that. Hello, daughter. Just enough fruit, just a happy ride. This is so good. There's even a bunch of merch. Books, pins. And fans. Wow. Oh, this Darren's suit. Hello, Darren Hayes. Hey, buddy. Hope you're well. That was the Mardi Gras show at the stadium just as COVID hit. Well, we went out of lockdown for the first time. Oh, Beverly Kills, wow. That's awesome. Dragqueens. Is that Tricky? Yeah. I only heard of Tricky through Reputation. It's Carol. Hey, Carlotta. Apparently there was a photographic exhibition for Acon's 40th down in Sydney. I'll ask Marky and see if there's any footage or something of that, because Marky, Seymour, I think maybe William, Anne-Marie and Maz zoomed in from the UK, all showed off their collections and stuff to celebrate 40 years of Acon, so that'll be worth checking out too. And if you go to Universal, I'm on the wall 4 times. I think all of them put a picture in of me. It's weird. Well, there we go. Okay. Not lengthy, but you could spend a good hour in there reading all of the history. It's really cool, and it's very well done. Brisbane, you've done yourself proud, because there was a lot of stuff in there that I wasn't aware of, and there were things that I did know, but only through reputation. So it's incredible that a lot of these costumes still exist, and congratulations to the people that have taken on designers' collections after they've passed or moved away or whatever. So make a scene. It's on at the Queensland Museum until July 19, I think, 2026. All the details will be down below. And yeah, do yourself a favour, come and have a look. Enjoy some queer Australian history.